We just got this toy a little bit ago. You stick the treats in here. And that side still has some. Jory figured out how to get the other one open. It's just pushing around like roly ball, but starting to figure out that if he kind of pins it and bites it, he'll get his food. Yeah. It's kind of a weird shape, but I think I figured it out. Yay, good boy. It's just my butt. Yeah, there you go. Good dog. Yeah, there you go. Mr. Rachel. There you go. Getting close. Yeah, good boy. Took him a few weeks to get roly balls, so I'm kind of impressed that he's starting to chew it properly so fast. We got this lovely thing from the Cal Ranch store. I think it'll be... Oh, good boy! Good boy! You got it! At least you started to. It was right there. Anyway, we were there to get him. Good dog. Good dog. Use your little paws. Can you get at the food now? Yay! Good boy, Jory. Good dog. Officially figured out. Did I say why we were there? Horsewhip. Not to whip him with, but to dangle toys with. Should be pretty legit. I may have bought one that's too big, but yeah, what the hell. It'll all work out. It'd just be too big for the apartment, but not outside. Victory for Jorah! Woohoo!